Good day everyone and welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to make these simple scrunchies that you can use to pack your hair. So I'm going to be using the length of this whole material, this doll face. So I'm going to be measuring 4.5 by 18 inches, depending on how long you want your own to be, or if you want your own bigger than that, you can use 5 or 6 inches for the width. I'm going to be using 4.5, so I'm going to be cutting it out. So after cutting it out, I'm going to sew it, that half inches. I'm going to sew the half inches out. So this is after sewing it. So I'm going to mark out 2 inches like this, then mark it out. Note that the material was unfolded before I marked out the 4 inches. So I'm going to measure the elastic. I'm going to pass it through it, which is like half inches. So I'm going to come down from that 2 inches and measure half inches also. Then I mark it out. So after marking it out, I'm going to come out by 1 inches or 1.5 at the edges, both edge. So I'm not going to be marking the 1.5 and marking out. So I'm just going to sew it like this, then sew like this also. This is after sewing it. So I'm going to be cutting now elastic of 6 to 7 inches. I'm going to be passing through it. So this is after passing it. So I'm going to be stitching it down by half inches, the elastic. So after stitching it down, I'm going to turn it in like this, tuck it in like this, then sew down also. So after sewing it down, this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so that you can get notified anytime a new video is dropped on this channel.